Boys, we're back in action. We're back in the action. This is crazy. Y'all don't even know what I've been going through, bro. I got a hole in my foot right now. We'll explain in a second. I also just pissed in my new water bottle. We'll explain that. Just real quick, though. Alright, man, thank you guys so much for joining back. Been doing the house renos, man, like demolishing the basement and stuff like that. I've been really wanting to film more, but that's been like 8 hours a day till I stepped on one of those screws. The ones like that, the big ones. Wow, right through the foot, bro. So I'm on crutches right now. I don't know if you could, yeah, you could see them. Had a little time off. Thought, you know what, let's film. And then I had to come out to a place because people are making noise down there while I'm not down there in the basement. I had to find some sort of parking lot. No washroom around here, boys. Guess what that means? I gotta piss in my new water bottle. I'm a little mad about that. I think I feel another one coming too. I don't got much time. I think I have enough time though. I gotta be back for the contractor. I think he has more questions for me. New video, thumbs up, comment down below. That really helps a lot. I know I haven't been posting enough lately for me to be like showing on the YouTube feed at all. Also, I've been blacklisted again because I got 2 more videos taken down. But that's fine. Anyway, mystery box, let's get into it. I haven't opened anything new and cool in like a little bit, boys. So this one I think you guys might like. Also, usually when we're in the car, I freak out. So hopefully that's not a bad omen. I go out to the car in videos where I think like there's a potential I'm gonna be yelling a lot, and I don't need my girl to hear that because she already thinks I'm a little dumb as it is. So hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's get into what this box is, huh? Long story short, I'm still pissed off about my water bottle, man. I'm gonna just trick my girl later though and tell her it's Kool-Aid or like lemon Kool-Aid. I don't know. It was red. It's weird. I'm peeing red. All right. Yeah! I got a hat that's a little less hot on my head. Bro, it's boiling out here right now. Oh, it's hot out here. So, mystery box. Don't even know when I bought this. Some of these sketchy ones usually take a little bit of time. I say sketchy because, ow! Man, I wish I could show you guys the hole, but I think YouTube wouldn't allow that too much. I say sketchy because this mystery box right here apparently is, well, it was $100. It's not apparent, but apparently you get in it, and I love my mystery boxes. You guys know that. There's a chance of getting a Rolex or some like high fashion stuff. High fashion, I'm assuming, would be like, I don't know, Louis Vuitton. Oh, check it out. I put on this GLD watch, by the way, boys. Why? Why not? You know? So I just put that on just to show you guys. Why not? Screw it. Anyway, could be some Louis in here. What else is high fashion? Gucci. Rolex is high fashion. Hopefully you get a Rolex. Anyway, the chances of getting a Rolex, I think, are quite slim for $100. But then they say a high fashion item for $100. So I'm a little sketched out about it. We got the box right here. Sorry, over top of my Doritos. Let's get into it, bro. $100 if it's real, because I actually don't think it's gonna be real whatever we get. I don't know what high fashion, unless it's like a sticker or keychain or maybe socks, not even a belt. I don't know what kind of high fashion is gonna be $100. So I'll leave a link down below after I talk to them, see if they want to give me money for it first. If they don't, I'll still leave a link, but I won't put up this video until I talk to them. But if it's fake stuff, like fake, say, I don't know, Supreme or something like that, I don't think I can be telling you where to get it. Okay, let's go. I'm pretty excited, boys. I'm also in a lot of pain. I'm hopped up on Tylenol right now, which is safe, don't worry. It was a bitch to drive though, I'm not gonna lie. Boys, here's our mystery box. We haven't done one in a minute. That actually might be kind of sick. Alright, boys, we're getting into it. I'm dying in here, and this watch is not cooling me off at all. I'm taking off the watch, boys. I'm taking off the damn watch. I broke a button on it, so it doesn't really come off that well. Let's get in the box, man. This is gonna be lightly edited. Like I say, I gotta go talk to the contractor in a bit. Fuck, did I just show my address? Shit, nah, that's fine. Sorry, I'm freaking out because I don't even know if I have time to edit that out, like if I showed my address. Okay, let's go. I'm looking for something to open it up. A vape. Actually, no, let's do something. I don't know why there's a nail file in this car. I hate these, by the way, man. They feel like, you ever actually rub your nails on that? They don't work. But we are gonna open this. $100, like I said. I'm kind of stoked, man. We haven't bought anything kind of like high fashion in a while. For $100 too, like, couldn't be too bad. I'm just hoping it's something good for the thumbnail, you know what I mean? And the title, to be honest. And if it's something I don't want, I'll probably just give it away to you guys. Thumbs up and comment down below. Without further ado, let's go. I've been waiting on this one for a minute and a half. By the way, I already know, like I knew by holding it, it wasn't, I'm still showing the fucking address, aren't I? Now I have to bleep myself. I already know that it's not a sticker, because it sounds like... Whoa! Not really. I know that print any day, though. 100K. $100 for something like this. They must be putting stickers and keychains and everything, unless I got lucky. I have zero faith in this, to be honest. If I remember kind of correct, the website was probably sketchy. We got Gucci here. Now, luckily for you guys, I used to be able to legit check some of this stuff. I'm actually really stoked right now. I'm sorry. I gotta stop looking. So it's like a Gucci $100. Now, if this is real, but there is one tip off that is kind of weird, bro. That's already open. First off, like it's already kind of being like that, and also. Maybe I'm just nitpicking here. Usually with like anything expensive, I would assume they like, I just know this from packing like boxes for you guys when I'm setting up like merch or whatever. I know this part goes on the back side of the piece, which is this, not the front side, you know what I mean? So that's some kind of weird thing Gucci probably wouldn't do. Now we're actually getting bad signs here. I'm actually gonna get pissed off. This is fake. Because I don't even know. I'll have to find the info later. I don't even know if it is fake, I can get my money back, because I'm pretty sure I probably bought through PayPal. Unless it's credit card, I'm fucked. Here, first thing, there's bleeding on the Gucci. Like this is the packaging. There's bleeding right there, which is kind of pissing me off. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. It's not straight up. Gucci doesn't do that. I own a couple sweaters from them. I don't even know if they've ever packed in this. I bought one from the store, and no, one I bought online was never in a bag like this. It was just wrapped up nicely. So maybe it's like repackaged in maybe a fake Gucci bag. I'm kind of holding out my anger right now here, guys, because I'm trying to be like more positive on my YouTube, but if something pisses me off, you guys are gonna know it's gonna piss me off, you know? Tag Gucci, I don't know how to check that. Ugh, what the fuck is that? Oh, you look like a fucking asshole in this, dude. Ugh. It looks sick until you bring it all out, man. All of a sudden you look like a checkered pattern of a fake douche. This could be real, bro. Now I'm pickled. Who knows Gucci? No, it's not. There's a fucking string here. I was just overreacting a little bit. I was just overreacting there. There's a string that's hanging around this. I've never had that. I don't know where it went. There was a string hanging off this somewhere. And these patterns are gonna give me a seizure. Usually if Gucci, yeah, no, that doesn't, honestly, the stitching does not look like, I don't know if you guys care or not. That does not look like Gucci quality. I'm mainly doing this to see if I can actually give you guys a link. Because if this is legit, we're going to do a lot more videos on this. $100, that's 10 videos for $1,000. Hopefully getting a Rolex, it's a no-brainer. So I'm also doing this experiment for myself. Generally, these collars too would have a little, I don't know, when I'm buying dress shirts, they have like the little cardboard in, right? I'm a skeptic on this. I don't know. I don't like it. That's all I don't like it at all. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But man, if it's real, we're reselling this and we're just gonna get like a bunch more videos popped out from these guys. That's what we got. I don't really know what to say. This is a big tip off though. This bag is the main thing. The bleeding around the Gucci, that doesn't make any sense to me. Nothing. And I don't know why they would repack it in a fake Gucci bag, because that can't be real. So I'm kind of saying this is fake. And I really want to actually flip out right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm too hot for that, and if I aggravate myself anymore, I'm gonna start sorting all of this car. It's gonna look like I peed my pants when I go back into the freaking contractor, which is not gonna happen because I have my new water bottle to fill up, I guess. All right, appreciate you guys for watching. I think I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm gonna show it up one more time. If anyone's kind of like brilliant with it, here's kind of the stitching. I'm gonna go. This is fake for sure. Just the bag throws it off completely. And the stitching doesn't look that good. And I did see a fray freaking string. Now I'm pissed off.